tell me something? You gonna be able to tell me something? No, you're not gonna be able to tell me nothing. Period. Period. Okay, so I didn't really get a lot of new makeup that I've never tried before in my gratis, but I am gonna go through and see what I can use as far as makeup is concerned. So yeah, if you hear any music in the background, I think my neighbors are cleaning out their garage, so that's what that's about. I'm kind of feeling this lighting. I have my window open, it's right here, but I also still have my soft boxes on, so I kind of like this soft diffused lighting or whatever. I'm breaking out, which is not good, but you know, we're gonna roll with the punches. But yeah, anyway, I do have the main palette that I'm gonna be using today. It's the Alyssa Edwards palette. It's new to me. I've never used it, and I did get it in gratis, so it's perfect for this video. And I did get a few newer things that I'm gonna try out today. So if you want to see my thoughts on some of my gratis makeup, just keep on watching. Okay, so I went ahead and did my brows off camera, and I did close my window because the sun was moving and everything, so it was playing with my lighting too much, way too much. So yeah, I went ahead and just closed my blinds and my window, but it's fine, it's totally fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into the Alyssa Edwards palette. Damn, so Quoia, just smack your freaking self. Okay. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Anastasia brush out of here. Oh, I just did my nail into that black. Lord. Okay. Take that out of there. I remember why I didn't really want this palette. It's pretty. It is, but it don't really just jump out to me. I'm glad I got this in gratis and I didn't have to spend my money on it. Not gonna lie. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do. So the first shade I'm gonna go into is this one. It's called Unicorn Tribe. Okay, so that's that for my transition slash crease shade. Well, the first crease shade. The second one I'm gonna go in with is this one right here on the same brush, because yeah, actually no, I'm gonna change brushes, get a smaller fluffier brush, and I'm gonna go in with this one right here. So that's that for my crease for right now. Now I'm just gonna clean up my lid a little bit. Because I want this next color that I put on my eyes to really pop, even though it's gonna do that anyway, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer in C1. There we go. The final color for my lid, I'm gonna go in with this one right here. It's called Texas Made, and it's a super vibrant pink, like vibrant as fuck. Yo, like, this is the best pink I've ever used in my life. Like, I was gonna give this palette to one of my friends or my little cousin because she's getting into makeup and stuff, but I'm gonna keep it just for this pink. And that first purple I use because it's bomb. Bomb. Okay, so I did get a primer. It's the Dr. Brandt Pore Refiner Primer. It has a tint to it. Let's see if it takes away the shine and makes my pores look little. Ooh. Yo, this feels like butter. Okay, so I think I threw the box away. However, comma, on the packaging it says it's the Pores No More Pore Refiner Primer. It minimizes the look of pores, absorbs oil, and mattifies shine. So it does say it mattifies, which it definitely just did. Faux show. Now will it keep me matte? I do not know. I know. I feel a little ashy. Okay, so the foundation I'm gonna go in with is this Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. There we go. That's what it looks like. This is the shade Terracotta. Now, I know they were just taking stabs at what shade I could be because this did come in gratis. But it might be an okay match. And then to blend out my foundation today, I'm gonna take this It Cosmetics complexion brush, and this is brush number 77. Y'all, I was so geeked when I got this because I never tried It brushes. I only felt them at work. So when I got this in gratis, baby girl, I was excited. Oh, it feels so good. So this is the brush. Oh my god. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, they might not have good like shades for complexion, but their brushes are bomb. Well, they feel like they're bomb. So, oh, this feels so good. Okay, let's see this foundation match, child. Ooh. And this is a brand new bottle, so I'm pumping it out on a little napkin so it don't go everywhere. Okay. It actually looks like a good match, so take a little bit on my finger. That's what it's looking like. Let's go. I don't know, y'all. And because I really like my makeup, I DK if I'm gonna use it. Let's see. I'm gonna put another line. And I'm gonna blend it out and see. Okay. Because maybe it'll like dry down a different color. Like it's whoa, this is a really good coverage, honestly. I mean, it is a little. Oh, this is matte. Oh, oh, oh. Y'all, this is my first time trying anything from Becca. No, any like real like products from Becca. I've tried their Ever Matte Primer. I no longer use it because it's hella matte and too dry for my skin. But that, okay, we finna see. Not gonna lie, this is hella matte. So I'm about to bring in this Morphe spray and just spray the brush a little bit. Whoa, I have not had a matte foundation like this in a while. Like this is matte, and the shade match is not terrible. It's not horrible. I can finesse it, and then this brush gets like right under my eye because it's not shaped like a circle, it's a triangle. I like this brush. Yeah, I like this brush. Okay, so this is how my face is looking with only one layer. And honestly, I think I'm gonna leave it at 1 layer because this is matte. Like matte AF. Just going up to my Too Faced Born This Way. I'm buying a new one, so don't talk about how bad it looks. Back in with the eyeliner. Did get a new mascara, and it's the Buxom Extrovert Mascara. This is what the unit card looks like, and this is gratis, as you can see. I got the slash through the barcode. And I told y'all before, I've never really had a bad mascara because I have pretty long lashes, so that gives me an advantage. Ooh, I like how it's shaped. Okay, y'all can see that. It's almost like a corkscrew, which I really like. I've never used one that's shaped this way, but I like it. For my lashes, I'm going in with these John T Cosmetics lashes in the style Hot Girl. Okay, lashes are on. They look bomb, y'all. I was scared to put these on, not even gonna lie. I need to really hurry up because my camera's about to die. Going to my under eye again. Well, for the first time, actually, I'm going to go ahead and take this black eyeliner from NYX and line my waterline. And on this tiny Morphe brush, it's a Morphe M152, I'm going to take that first purple that I used and mix it with this pink. And I'm just going to take this mascara from my lower lash line. And I think I'm going to try to put this white. No, I'm not. I'm going to take my Emrezy palette and take the pale pink wasted and put that in my inner corner. Sorry, y'all, but I didn't want to use that pale white. I didn't. And of course, I'm going to take my Kat Von D. Are we still using her? I don't care. I have it, so I'm going to use it. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to take my Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Verona. And I'm going to take the Kat Von D one because I need a nude. And I'm just going to take my Morphe setting spray. You going to be able to tell me something? You going to be able to tell me something? No, you're not going to be able to tell me nothing. Period. Period. I'm going to go ahead and take my Milani Ludicrous Lip Gloss in Luster Light and top this off. Yup. That'll do it. Okay, so I was low-key sleep on this palette, like I really was. So I'm gonna have to take my words that I said that it wasn't all that back because it performed great. What else did I like? I do like the primer. I just can't use it with this foundation. Where is that foundation? It's somewhere on my vanity somewhere. Oh, here it is. This Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation. I can't use that and the Dr. Brandt primer together because it's just super matte. But them separately, cool. And I honestly think this is my right foundation shade now that it's settled down. I've contoured, I've bronzed, I've done everything that I normally do. It actually looks really good, y'all. Like, I think so far that out of everything that was new that I could try, I liked. I'm trying to see if there was anything that oh, that brush. My favorite thing out of this whole gratis try on thing was this brush. Like, I'm actually gonna have to forfeit the money and just splurge on some more it brushes because I love this brush. I love this freaking brush. This is my new foundation brush. Not even gonna bullshit y'all. Like, this is my new brush. But yeah, y'all, I ain't mad at nothing. I'm not even gonna lie. This is fire. The proof is in the beats, okay? Period, boo. Okay, so my camera ended up dying. So this is actually like a few hours later than the last clip. But I'm pretty sure I was saying that I ended up enjoying everything. Now the foundation shade was workable, but in reality I would need at least maybe one shade down or at least a different undertone because it was a little orange. Just a smidge, a tad too orange and a tad too light. So if I could probably have a shade or maybe even two down or just a different undertone and a shade down, that probably would have been fire. I might, well, I'm not sure when Ulta's gonna be opening back up. Maybe I'll buy the next shade online or something. But I actually do like this foundation and I didn't expect to because every time I saw Becca at work, it was just that's how I felt every time I saw it. So I didn't really care to even try any of their complexion because it didn't look like it was for me. But this was actually pretty good and I actually enjoyed the foundation. And since this is a few hours later, like I filmed a video at like 11 o'clock in the morning, y'all, and it is now, where's my phone's right here. It is now 5:38. So I gave y'all a mini wear test, not on purpose, but my camera died, so I was waiting on it to charge. So this is how the foundation is looking several hours later. I have not blotted or anything, so it's really holding up. So what was that? It was like 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. It was really early. So yeah, I'm not mad at the foundation at all. So yeah, y'all, that's it. I'm gonna get out of here. I got another video to film, so let's go. Well, you guys, that completes this video. I hope you all liked it and enjoyed it. And if you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it. That way you can be notified every single time that your girl makes an upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.